you can still recover damages even if you weren't wearing a seatbelt at the time of your accident. Damages in Florida are apportioned pursuant to comparative negligence, which means that if you were partially negligent for your injuries due to the fact that you weren't wearing a seatbelt, that percent of negligence attributed to you would reduce any damages you received, but you still would be allowed to bring your lawsuit and collect damages against the at-fault party. For instance, if the at-fault party was 70% negligent and you were 30% negligent, you'd still be able to collect 70% of your damages in that case.